Babo Kabalen. Kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Marco Nanan of Foreign Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
As well ang helping businesses promote their services and products to our Wern Pampanga community. For today's vlog, nandito po tayo ngayon sa Angeles City, particularly Marky Mall, to feature this unique style of cooking. This Japanese teriyaki food that is being cooked in a teppanyaki way.
Yes. So this is the first stall na makikita nyo. So this is Bamboo Express.
Bamboo Express. Let's go get our order, and if you want to know more about Bamboo Express, be with us.
So tara, let's go!
Alright, so Bamboo Express is located dito po sa second floor ng Marky Mall. This is at the Food Choices. So this is part of the parang pinaka food court dito sa area. So let's go to our table since naka-ready na yung in-order natin. It's gonna be a Japanese day. Alright, so again guys, thank you so much for being with us in this video. And of course with us is Jem. So he's actually from Bamboo Express. So thanks so much for being with us in this video.
You're
so to know more about Bamboo Express, siguro let's start from its origin.
Okay. Bamboo Express is a Japanese teriyaki food in a teppanyaki style of cooking.
So I'm actually curious, why is it called Bamboo Express?
So bamboo refers to being resilient. Yung to be able to withstand or recover quickly.
Yes.
That's the meaning of bamboo.
Yes.
And while the word express means quick cooking, quick serving, still providing and offering the quality, good quality taste of
correct.
Food.
Speaking of yung mga food na niluto kanina, what do we have on our table?
So yung na-serve ngayon is we have the super meals. Wherein sa super meals, nandun na lahat ng nakikita nyo dun sa menu. We already have the beef teriyaki, of course. We have the shrimp teriyaki, and then the chicken teriyaki with free veggies and with drinks na yon for only 206 pesos.
Now, for example, of course, there are some of our customers na parang gusto lang nila beef, gusto lang nila shrimp, or gusto lang nila chicken. Is that possible?
Yes, of course, sir. Meron tayong mga solo meal. We have the chicken teriyaki. Yung inclusion is we have the rice, we have the chicken teriyaki, of course, and we have the vegetables, and with drinks for only 126 pesos.
126 pesos for a complete meal.
Yes. So, and if you would like to double the meat, just add 20 pesos on it. The beef teriyaki, and of course rice, beef teriyaki, veggies, and free drinks for only 146. And if you would like to double the meat, just add 30 pesos.
30 pesos naman.
Pwede mo siyang i-customize kung gusto mo na yung maraming meat.
Yes.
So nag-add ka lang.
Nag-add ka lang. And if you would like to double the meat, just add 40 pesos. Aside from the solo meals, we have the combo meals, which is a combination of beef and chicken teriyaki. So rice, we have the beef, we have the chicken, we have the vegetables with free drinks for only 176. Then the C2, the chicken and shrimp, and which is amounting to 178. And last but not the least is the shrimp and beef teriyaki, which is the C3 for only 192 pesos.
Kumbaga napaka-affordable pa rin yung mga meals nila.
Actually.
So on our table, yung in-order natin is yung chicken and shrimp plus yung vegetable. So patitikman natin.
So very customizable pala, no? So for example, you just want one dish or one meat, one kind of meat, two kinds of meat, of any choices that you want, pwede siya sa plate natin.
Yes, of course.
Right.
So Bamboo Express is located here in second floor, Food Choices, Marky Mall, Angeles City, Pampanga. Yung operational hours ng store is nag-open siya ng 10 in the morning and then nag-close siya ng 9 p.m.
So mas mahaba yung time na pwede natin puntahan si Bamboo Express to taste yung mga pagkain nila.
Correct,
yes, of course.
So far, I like the beef teriyaki.
Yung nagdadala talaga is yung sauce niya.
I think so.
Yes,
I think so. So, yun yung pinaka-secret
ingredients nila.
Secret ingredient nila dito. So, you have any upcoming promos for the
Yes, of course. We have
Christmas
the
or New Year?
promos, the what we call Eat and Win Christmas and Anniversary Raffle promo.
Tell us more about your promo.
From December 15 to December 22, 2020, get a chance to win a Noche Buena package worth 1,000 pesos. For every order of Bamboo Express food, you'll get a one raffle stub.
Kahit isang order lang, that's already an entry.
Yes, of course, definitely. And all you have to do is like and share the Bamboo Express Facebook page. And the luck winner will be posted on our Facebook page and will get notified via phone call. And if you are the lucky winner, all you have to do is to present a valid ID for you to get the prize.
So the winner will be announced on December 23.
23.
You can have your Noche Buena package care of Bamboo
Bamboo
Express.
Express, di ba?
So ako nag-enjoy ako dun sa ano nila, mga shrimp nila.
Also, I like yung pinaka-vegetables natin. Also has some spices.
Binudburan ng spices.
Yeah, I think yun yung nagdadala dun. Yung grabe ang sarap, guys. Well, yeah. All in all, I actually like the beef teriyaki.
Yes.
Sobrang sarap. Sobrang sarap nung sauce niya.
Yes, at the same time, yung mga shrimp nila and yung mga chicken nila, nandun pa rin yung lasa ng freshness.
And before I forget,
Sure, please.
if ever na yung mga customers natin gusto nilang magpa-deliver, no, so just go to papa.ph and just search
Papa.ph.
Bamboo Express
Alright.
and i-deliver na yung food in your, sa place ninyo.
Yeah. Alright. Please invite our viewers to come and check out your place dito po sa Marky Mall.
I'm inviting all of you, come and visit Bamboo Express and we are happy to serve you all.
So if you're watching this video between December 15 to 22, make sure to join their contest. Who knows, you might be winning a Noche Buena package from Bamboo Express. We're gonna enjoy this, guys. Thank you so much for being with us in this video. Thanks so much for watching We're in Pampanga. And until our next discovery.
Yes. Peace out.
Peace out, guys. Stay safe.